Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to deal with supplier overpayments and refunds on Xero. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Xero, you can start a 30-day free trial. Just provide your full legal name, email, your phone number, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, handling supplier overpayments and refunds in Xero is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that our accounts payables reflect the true amounts owed to suppliers. Alright, so in my case in the past, I accidentally overpaid a supplier due to a billing error. Now, it became a duplicate payment and other reasons. So dealing with overpayments in Xero allows you to reconcile your accounts accurately and ensure that you are not overstating your expenses. Now, for us to be able to understand that handling the supplier refund, or in this case overpayments for your vendor or supplier, we need to understand that you can only process a customer or supplier refund after you have created the credit note, because overpayment or prepayment transaction that it relates to. So the first step is we need to create a credit note. Now, if you want to record a refund, we have to record the refund in the business option here, the upper left corner of our dashboard. Click on business, and from here all we have to do is click on the invoices, all right, or bills to pay. So it's up to you whether you choose invoices or bills to pay, but for now let's click on the invoices. And from here all we have to do is, again, we need to create a new credit note, because this is the option wherein we need to refund a customer for goods they have returned, or a supplier is recording you for goods you have returned to them. And of course, all they have to do is just provide the recipient right here, the date, the credit note number, the references, it's optional, and the item. All right. So for example, a customer has paid you more than you've invoiced them, or you have paid a supplier more than they've invoiced you. This is where you do it. You can add new line if you wanted and put some information, and also of course you need to put the amounts here. All right, now once you've done that, just click on save, and the next thing we are going to do is go again to the business option and then bills to pay, because from here, if you process a full refund, the status of transactions changes to paid. All right, so if you only partially refund the transactions, it stays away as awaiting payment right here. Right, so again, in the menu, just click on the if you don't have a new bills yet, you can simply click on the import bill. Right, remember that dealing with supplier overpayments and refunds in Xero helps maintain the accuracy of your financial records, ensures that you are not paying more than you owe, and provides a clear audit trail of transactions. And it also helps you track your cash flow and monitor your business's financial health. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.